Once you've done a live show, you've got a recording, and that recording can be used elsewhere. But how do you do that? Do you manually download it and then upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, and part of it to Twitter? Or is there a way you can do it automatically? Now, for the last 2 weeks, I've been looking at transferringvideos.com, which I discovered by accident, as you do with most things. And basically what it does is allows you to transfer files between places. So let me give you an example as an illustration. I can transfer using a link. And if I prepared one earlier, which I have, I can take this link here and I can put that link into transferring videos and just press go. And you can see that it's actually transferring the file from Facebook onto transferring videos. Now, transferring videos will hold a file for 24 hours. So they're not holding content long term. It only stays on transferring videos for 24 hours. If you give it a link, then it will take the video from the link. You can upload a file from your hard drive, or if you're actually working from the cloud, you can do it from Google Drive or OneDrive. And it goes through the video and it processes it. Okay, now we just need to take that, edit the title, and copy the text from Facebook. Okay, so I copied the text, bring the text in here. So the text is actually following the video and waiting for this to process. Right, it's uploading the file. Once it's got the file uploaded, then this is where the power comes, because you don't have to do anything. The file is actually on the transferring video site, and you can, well, let's take a look. So now the file is completely uploaded, and I've got a choice. I can trim the video if I want, or I can put watermarks on. I'm not going to do that for this, so I just need to publish it. And after I've published it, I can take that video and I can go to YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, send it to email, and somebody on email, download it, or just get an MP3. If I want to go to Vimeo, I just click the Vimeo button. The title and description are taken along, and I just publish it. Now you can either publish directly or you can schedule it. Both work. I've tried both. So if I go publish, it's now going to take that video across to Vimeo, and if I go to Vimeo and follow it, Vimeo has got the video and is currently processing it. So it's uploading the video and it's being processed. I can also send that video to YouTube. So sending it to YouTube, I've set everything up beforehand, and I just need to upload to YouTube. And I can either have it public, private, or unlisted. I can put it which category I want. The only thing I can't do at the moment is tags, but I can do that afterwards. And it's now uploading the original video to YouTube with the title and the description. I don't have to do anything further other than press that one button, and it will go and it will do it. And I've got to carry on talking while it does, so I'm going to go over and explain the rest. Now, I've been using it extensively, as I say, and we can now see that the video has been uploaded to YouTube and it's been uploaded to Vimeo. Coming back to the tab we're on, you can see how I use this. Basically, I'll just refresh now. So I'm just refreshing the screen. You can see that that video we uploaded has been scheduled, and it's going to go to YouTube and it's going to Vimeo. What if you want to send a clip to Twitter? If I press that again and I select Twitter this time, I get a new option, and there I've got the video. Now I don't want the whole of the countdown to be included, so I can take it back so that I only include that much of the countdown. And we know that you can have 2 minutes 20 seconds video on Twitter, so I'm going to trim it to 2 minutes 20. I've got it 3 minutes at the moment, so I need to go a bit further to the left, and I'll get there in a minute. I just need to push a little bit further. So there we have it, and you can do the adjustments. So I've got it 2 minutes 13, which will do, and it will now trim the video, because we're only allowed to have a 2 minute 20 second video on Twitter. So that's doing that. Okay, and whilst that's doing that, I can show you that when I did the Showcaster Countdown videos, I uploaded all 6 to here, to transferring videos, and then I sent them out to YouTube and Vimeo. And it's simple and straightforward to do. As we've just seen, I've done a transfer to Vimeo, I've done a transfer to YouTube, and I'm currently doing a tweet. Okay, now if I go to this and go to there, well actually, it's still converting the video because it's quite a long video. But I can transfer, once I've got the files on here, I can transfer to YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Dropbox, the cloud, G Drive, Google Drive, send it via email, and the warning at the bottom says, well, it's not the warning, automatically files are deleted after 24 hours. So I could upload it everywhere I want to. Now the routine that I've gone into at the moment is, as soon as I've finished a broadcast on Facebook, I upload the video from Facebook as I did earlier. I then upload it to YouTube, upload it to Vimeo, and send out a tweet. Now all of that can be done within, well, half an hour really. And it's just so simple and straightforward to use. Now there are different packages. You can try it for a month, you can try it for 3 months, or I went for the annual package. It simply works straight away, works out the tin. You don't need to do anything extra other than connect to your Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo accounts, etc. Once you've done that, the system is ready to go, and you can feed it a video, and that video can come, just to make a point here, it can come from a link, it can come from your desktop, or it can come from the cloud. If the video is on Dropbox or Google Drive or OneDrive, then you can upload it from there, and it keeps track of the videos and the status of the videos. And hopefully in a moment, I'll back over to Twitter, and it's processed it and it's now publishing the tweet. But before it does, well, let's just publish it. I'll come back, I'll do a second video about transferring videos later, but for the moment this is transferring videos. I'm just blown away by how effective it is, how easy it is to use, how cost effective it is. As you can see, I processed 6 videos yesterday, and it would have taken me hours to do that normally, because I had to upload the video to YouTube, upload the video to Vimeo, and send a tweet out. So it's saving me time. And if I want to send a tweet out about, let's take the most popular one today, is the fireworks one. So if I want to send that to Twitter, I can send a tweet with the video clip, and that will come up in a second. I just want to go back to the previous tweet and to show you the tweet. There it is, blabbing for Britain, and it does have the video, and the video plays. Okay, so that is an overview of transferring videos. It's simple and straightforward to use. If you have any questions, let me know, and the link is up above. Thank you for watching.